Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily log into your existing Acorns account using a web browser or your computer. First of all, launch open a web browser of your preference on your computer, or you can also do this on your mobile device. After opening up a browser, go ahead and type in acorns.com in the URL box and search. You'll find yourself in the official website for Acorns, where you need to go to the top right corner and click the login button. Once you do that, you'll then end up in the login screen for acorns.com. Go ahead and enter your email address associated with your account in the first field, and then your password on the next field. If you don't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow through the on-screen instructions. Finally, after you are done, click on Login, and there you have successfully logged into your Acorns account. So that is how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.